Alrighty, so with this tutorial on DaVinci Resolve 17, I'm just looking at setting up your project and importing media, and we'll just do that one. So, new project, this is the deal, which I'm working on, which is a bunch of resources provided by the Australian Centre for the Moving Image. As you can see, it just flashed on the screen over on the left there, sorry, right. So that's my media pool. Now I need to set this up into bins and stuff to get it ready, and I'll talk about that in just a sec. But what I've done already is I've gone and taken their script, which is this one, which outlines a scene, and I've added a shot list to it. And what we're going to do is actually go through and build the shot list. But firstly, the user interface for DaVinci Resolve, and it looks complicated, but it's actually been broken into a bunch of very useful tabs. So first up, we have the media tab. This is where you will import your media, make sure it's right, relabel it and that sort of stuff as you need. We have the cut tab, which we were just looking at before, and that's for cutting down particular pieces of media so that you can then assemble your stuff in the edit tab. And the edit tab is designed to do just that and look at your transitions and make sure it's all really nice. Then we have the Fusion tab. The Fusion tab will take a little bit to load because there's a lot in the back end, but basically it's for doing your visual effects kind of stuff, and there it is there. Then we have the color tab, which is designed for the color grading to make sure that even though your footage might be okay, you're trying to enhance it to make it look better. Then we have the Fairlight tab, and the Fairlight tab is designed for all the audio side of things. And then finally, the Deliver tab, which is designed for packaging stuff up for whatever platform you want to do or a custom one, and render it out into a finished piece of video. So going back to the start. Here we're looking at importing our media, and I have already unpackaged the stuff of the media. So I am just going to grab that and drop it in this piece up here. What this does is, and I'll get rid of that bit, goes, oh, where's it located? It is located in this folder here, and here is the pieces I'm worried about. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in 3 bins. First is the audio, for my additional audio tracks. Then I'm going to add in the footage, and this is designed for my master footage. And then I'm going to add in scene 1. This has only got a single scene, but it's good to have a process. Change the speed. So I've just introduced those clips into the package to go, oh yep, this is what we're doing. And then I'll drop in the audio in there. And then I also need to introduce this footage into scene 1 as well. The reason I'm doing this twice is I'm going to go through and relabel these based on my shot list. So my shot list is this one just here. So I have wide shots, close-ups, medium shots, so on and so forth with various cameras and a shot number. So here you can see scene 1, shot 1 uses camera A, and it's a wide shot of Sarah walking in. So this is a bit of a description to give you an idea of what you're looking for, but it's also to give you the labeling stuff that you'll use. So I'm just going to relabel this one, which is 1.1A wide shot. Done. Then I have, I think it was, I should have printed this out and have it sit next to me so it's a little quicker. But Claire doing You Took Your Time. All right, so in this case, I'm going to leave the CU Claire, and I'm going to go 1, 2, 1, 2, camera D from memory, and get rid of the MP4. Done. Then there's the medium shot, which is 1.3 camera B, MS for medium shot, and you can see me constructing the shot list here. Sarah doesn't show up until later, which is 5, so I'll just do that now. Actually no, that's not that one. That's a medium shot of Sarah. I want the close-up, which is 7. So 1.7 camera C, Sarah doing her thing. Alright. So I have a bunch of other shots according to this shot list, so I'm going to need an additional 2 wide shots, which is scenes 8 and 9. And there's 2 ways you can assemble this. One, as I'm about to do here, which is take the shots and just position them where I need them. Or take your shot list and work through it in order. So next up would be the medium shot of Claire, which I've already got, then the close-up of Claire, then the medium shot of Claire. So if I can go boom, boom, copy, paste, Control C, Control V, 2 of the greatest keys ever invented. Now, from the medium shot with 1.3, it goes back to clear, which is 1.4. And then it goes to 1.5, which will be the medium shot. And you'll notice these are all out of order. Oh, yes, they are. Click, click. Now they're in order. I find going in order, working down your shot list and doing that one at a time is probably better, because that way you're not going to miss something and then go, oh wait, I forgot such and such, so I better go back and get it. So that's 1.6. 1.7 is the close-up of serial, which I've already got, and that's 1.8 is a medium shot or a wide shot. I wasn't certain about which one I was planning on using, so what I'm going to do is just make sure that I've got both in my list ready to go, just in case I need them. And then I can decide at looking at how the scene's playing out. So it is structured, but you're also going to give yourself that sort of bit of breathing space to go, yeah, that was a good decision or a not so good decision. And the last scene involves Claire and the medium shot, copy paste. So this, yeah. As I said, the last shot, I have no idea which one would be the better one to choose for this scene. I'm really just trying to get a feel for how it's playing out. So that's my complete shot list based on the work of the deal, and really just trying to, then I'll go through and do a cut to cut down each bit of footage to what I need. Now, just so you know, I haven't made copies of every single file a dozen different times. What this actually is just references to the original footage here. And when we go through and cut it, it will keep the reference but say, oh, we only need that bit from 20 seconds through to 22 seconds or whatever it is. So that wraps up prepping your media, setting up the project, prepping your media pool ready to go. And I'll close this here and we'll move on to the next bit, which is the cutting, in just a moment.